guys, it's your girl Mia, back again with another video. Sorry I haven't posted in 1 month. It's because I got a new setup. So, I'm back again. So today I'm going to be showing you my slime collection, and I only have 4 slimes. Let's find out if it's good or bad. Who knows? This is what I'm showing you. Okay, so first, before we get started, I'm going to tell you all the names of my slimes and the scents. So this is Blue Raspberry, scented Japanese Cherry Blossom. This is S'mores, scented Mango. This is Lemonade, scented Regular Lotion, Vitamin C. And this is Green Apple, scented 1,000 Wishes. So let's get right into the video. So the first slime we have is this blue slime, blue fluffy slime. And it's Blue Raspberry, scented Japanese Cherry Blossom. Yeah. I told you in the beginning. It's like kind of pokeable, but yeah. It's kind of stretchy, but it's like really fluffy, so it's not that stretchy. It looks purple on the camera, but it's blue. Next slime is another fluffy, a really fluffy slime. And this is S'mores scented Mango. It's really stretchy because it's tiny. You like the body? Oh, we want. And I know it's so tiny, but the container's so big. I don't know. I don't have more containers. Okay, so the next one is a fluffy and regular slime, and it's Lemonade with gold glitter. I'm sorry. Scented Mango, was it? No, Vitamin C lotion, just regular lotion. And I put, funny story behind this one. I put air dry clay in it, and then it's like I put too much, so it started melting. But then I put more activator, and like, yeah. It was really funny because it was like going all over my carpets. This one I really love. It's super duper stretchy. And it's so sparkly. And when you put it in the container, it makes fart noises. It's funny. And sounds good. So the last slime we have is this dark green slime, and funny story behind this one too. So I went to my friend's house to make this along with his little sister. I forgot to bring my food coloring, so he had food coloring. It was green food coloring because they're like, oh, Christmas is coming up, so yeah. But his food coloring had like a big hole instead of a tiny hole, so I put a lot, but that's okay. So this is a fluffy slime, and it has blue and gold sparkles in it. Scented Mango. It smells so good. It's so clicky and glossy. But I just don't like how it stains your hands. But other than that, it's okay. I like it. Okay. So that was my slime collection. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment. To find out what was my favorite slime, check in the comments down below. Mwah. Bye. Love you guys.